So we are on our way to Newark Airport. We left Syracuse and we are flying out. We are meeting my cousin Kylie at Newark Airport, and then we are flying to Reykjavik, Iceland.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. The train is departing.
So we got in this morning at 5 in the morning, and we had 4 hours until the Blue Lagoon opened. So we got a rental car, drove to the Blue Lagoon, and just hung out until it opened at 8, and now we are here. So we did the Blue Lagoon this morning, and that was super fun. And then we went to breakfast, which that was delicious. I can't remember the name, but I will put it on the screen. But we are driving along the southern coast of Iceland, and we just stopped to use the restroom and look at the Icelandic ponies.
Icelandic pony? Look at all the poners.
So we are at the first waterfall, Seljalandsfoss. That's my best pronunciation, but right now, and it's so beautiful. The waves are so big, and there is a rock that looks like a penis. But we've just been taking pictures and taking it all in. It's actually pretty warm out, which is pretty crazy. To our hotel, which I believe this is the most desolate freaking, what's the word I'm thinking? Remote place I've ever been to, but there's some beautiful mountains right over there. But we are currently on a dirt road for maybe like a mile, I think it said, to get to our resort, but there's nothing, no civilization anywhere. How do you feel about that?
This is crazy. This is the most beautiful, absurd.
That's not
it. Really, it's so beautiful. Oh, there's stuff over there.
You're not in the right place.
We have, but I wouldn't be.
It doesn't look anything like the photos. It looks like a farm.
Don't die. So, update. There's a little update to this vlog. We were en route to our hotel, and we pull up and it looks nothing like our hotel. So there's something wrong with maps.
It looks like a farmhouse.
It literally looks like a farmhouse.
That's tractor?
We're at a house right now. We're at someone's house. Supposedly this is a hostel too. So, and there's a sign saying reception, but it literally looks like a house. So Christian's gonna ask to see where our hotel is.
He's not even going inside, he's asking through the door. It might be over there. That looks like there's something that could have been over there.
Yeah, I'm wondering if...
There's nothing else, you think you would see it.
This is so crazy. Just watch and make sure he doesn't get murdered. Okay, no, it looks like a nice man.
So do they all.
True. Christian's coming back with news. What's the situation?
It's right there.
Where? I don't see it.
He said you turned 500 meters too early.
Oh.
He said that you're gonna go back to the main road where the gravel ends, take a right, and it's gonna be right. You can see it from here.
You can?
Yeah, you can barely see it. There's a building right where I'm pointing on the other side of these little tiny rock hills.
Okay,
it's right
I trust you.
Right there. He is so freaking friendly.
Aw.
He was so friendly. He was laughing at us. He's like, "Where are you guys from? You
Aw.
can find where you're going in New York, but when you come out here, there's no houses. You can't find where you're going. There's only one road." I was like, "Oh, you're so right, dude.
Oh my
You
god.
can't get anywhere without Google Maps." We used Apple Maps once, and our whole life was ruined.
It's like that meme, uses Apple Maps once, I live here.
Made it to our hotel.
The right one.
The right one. And we survived.
And the view still looks so good.
Yes, the view is amazing. But we are staying at the Foss Hotel New Par, if I am saying that correctly. Yay! And we have dinner reservations at 6.
In my belly.
Yes, I'm so hungry. Truth, we're seeing our room. Do we have a glacier view? Yes, we have a glacier view!
What?
Oh my gosh.
Unreal. Unreal.
Day 2 of Iceland. Or we can go.
Glacier Day.
Yes, day 2, Glacier Day. We're gonna hike a glacier and go to a blue ice cave. And then we're gonna check out Jökulsárlón, which is the diamond lake with all the mini glaciers. But let's go on a hike. So we did a glacier. We did a glacier hike. We went to Skaftafell, hiked a glacier, and went to an ice cave. And we are going to Jökulsárlón. So we're gonna drive. It's gonna take us about 40 minutes. We're gonna see that, and then we're gonna head back to our hotel, and then we go to Reykjavik tomorrow. So this is Jökulsárlón, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So pretty. The mountains over there are just nuts. There's Kylie. Look how blue the water is.
Seal, right there.
Seal!
Seal! Seal!
Oh my gosh, a seal! Aww.
You're going really fast.
Oh my gosh, he went under.
This is a small seal. This is like a little.
There's another one. He's coming.
He's going so quickly.
Oh my gosh.
Like seal water.
Oh my gosh, he just went under.
So cold. The ducks too.
See,
Oh no,
the ducks.
my camera's dying.
Do you have your phone at least?
Yeah. Oh, and my DSLR. So we left Jökulsárlón and we just went right down the road. We're actually gonna check out a different part of Jökulsárlón. We went to kind of like a place where there weren't a lot of people, but we're actually gonna go to the main area where people go because we thought it looked cool. But we're actually across the street over by the ocean and... Oh my gosh, seal!
Here.
Cutie.